It is almost a year since teachers who happen to be invigilators, supervisors in various examination centers, and since that time they have not been paid even a single coin by the neck. Security men who provided the security that was highly required have also not been paid. And the cycle of exams has already begun. Students have registered, and very soon our teachers will be called again to supervise and invigilate these exams. And my question is, are the teachers being taken as servitudes, slaves, who provide labor without pay? I want to urge the government through NEC to pay teachers immediately, because that is their right. And even if there is no money, money should be sourced from wherever it is to pay these teachers. Because I don't think there will be any teacher who will be ready to go to exam centers before the government settles down their previous obligation.